Oh, it's a baby. But I guess we're going. Hey guys, welcome back. It's us again. It's my birthday and we're about to set up our camp. The tent is ready. I just love being in here, it's so nice. Nice view. Awesome. Just took a very needed nap for like 2 hours or 2.5 hours because I was working last night, so I really needed that. I didn't realize it's like almost 4 p.m. I'll probably still be sleeping if I didn't have to go to the bathroom. I want to see Brennan sleeping because I see that he's in the hammock. He might be sleeping too. The moon looks really nice today. So big. Our camp style Huevos Rancheros looks so good. Okay, we're back from camping and now we're going to watch the movie. What are we gonna watch?
We're gonna go see Black Panther.
Yeah. We are at the beach again. Just watching the sunset. It is really nice today. Hey guys, it's the next weekend now and we're on our way to a dolphin watching trip. Did I say it right? Dolphin watching trip.
Yes.
Tour. Yeah. So just maybe a few weeks ago, one lady reached out to me. I guess I answered a couple of her questions about Guam before she moved. And then she was like really grateful. She's like, oh, my husband has a tour company. And she just invited us to go on a tour with them for free, which is super nice. Look at this view. We're so lucky. Oh my god. There they are. They're so cool. Oh my god. There's a baby one. There's so many. Oh. There is a lot of them. Oh, it's a baby. This is so cool. Alright, we've seen the dolphins now. I'm really happy about it. And now I'm gonna face my fears and go into very deep water. I'm gonna have one bottle of apple cider in, so it should be easier this time. Alright, let's go.
Grab your mask. Alright.
I'm not going first. You gotta go first. for like less than 5 minutes. I'm like, ah.
You want to say something?
Someone just touched my butt. Well, I don't think I'm like actually a lot that scared anymore, because I don't know if it's apple cider or I'm just more confident now. But yeah.
Probably both, a little bit of both.
Yeah, yes. It's really cool. Like, it's beautiful there. I don't know why I was like so afraid. I mean, I'm still not like super confident. I cannot like go deep down, but it's good. Yay! Facing my fears, not clickbait.
3. Cowabunga!
It's me again. This is awesome. There's Brandon. I was looking for you. I didn't see you. I don't know how this happened, but we are kind of off-roading right now. Why? I don't know.
We're checking out a camping spot that we might want to do before we leave.
Yeah.
Good thing we have a car that can just go from going to boating to going off-roading.
Yeah. The boys are trying to figure out what we're gonna do here because it's kind of muddy. You're checking it out. Whoa. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, that doesn't look good for us. We just washed the car. Okay. Ooh, that was pretty deep. I gotta say that. I'm feeling that it's creepy right now. Oh my god, like look at this. It's like, yep. I can't. All right, I think we're good. I think we're good now.
We just need like an extra inch.
I know.
Wow, it's nice.
It looks nice. Nice view. It looks really nice. It looks a little scary, but I guess we're going. Oh boy, I cannot see anything besides the sky. Oh, nice. Oh, this is really cool. Nice view.
A nice little hike down to the... There it is.
Oh my god. I'm gonna scrape it a little bit. It's like so close you can touch it. Just the ground, yeah.
We didn't scrape.
Yay! Alright, get it! Oh my god, it's a little scary. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Yay! Woo! Alright, we're trying to get out of this trail. And yeah, we're just gonna go get dinner, some Thai food, right? That's where we're going?
Yeah, we're gonna go to some Thai food.
Yes! And we'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye!